Hotel Reservation Conversation.
Good evening. Welcome to Ocean View Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for this weekend.
Of course. May I know the dates you'll be staying with us?
From Friday evening to Sunday afternoon.
Great. We have both standard and deluxe rooms available. Would you prefer a sea view or city view?
A sea view sounds perfect.
Noted. A deluxe room with a sea view is available. The rate is $180 per night. Shall I reserve it for you?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. May I have your name and a contact number to confirm the booking?
Sure. It's Alex Carter, and my number is 555-0132.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. Your reservation is confirmed for 2 nights in a deluxe sea view room. Check-in is after 3 p.m. on Friday.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. We look forward to having you with us.
Thanks for watching. Now more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.